Hello, we stay for one night at the Abu Dhabi Premier Inn hotel due to a very long layover. In this video, I'll show you the Premier Inn hotel room as well as how to walk there, some snippets of it. This is in the arrival hall and you have to look for the sign to say Premier Inn Hotel. It is located at the level 4 Skypark area. If you're unsure, you can ask for directions. That's what we did because the signages were not that clear. So we head towards the Skypark area, up these escalators, and towards the airport hotel. Usually you can only find the words airport hotel. And as you can see, it's this long stretch. We were here after midnight, after a flight from Singapore. And at the end of the long stretch, you see the sign. So definitely you're there. To walk down a flight of stairs or take the lift if necessary, and you will then enter into the lobby of the Premier Inn. The decor is very similar to the UK chain in the UK, but of course it's a lot bigger here. The lobby is big and nice. There's a Costa coffee. And let me show you our room. We had booked a standard room directly through the hotel website. We were given a disabled friendly room, which was perfectly fine because actually such rooms tend to be bigger. There was a mini fridge, boiler for making tea and coffee, and of course an exceptionally large toilet because this is a disabled friendly room. Standard toiletries, rain shower, and soap shampoo. Had a cupboard and even a safe within, and plenty of hanger space, a small table, 2 small chairs, and 2 bedside tables on a nice bed. So this is what the disabled friendly room in the Premier Inn Abu Dhabi looked like. It took us about 10 minutes to walk here after finding our way, and we chose to stay the night at the Premier Inn since our layover was 11 over hours before our next connecting flight to London Heathrow the next morning. So rather than sleeping at the airport or even sleeping in the airport lounge, it was much better to just exit. You have to clear immigration to get here because this is in the Abu Dhabi itself already, and that was smooth and easy. And we are here now to have a good sleep before our flight. Had a very good shut-eye and woke up relatively early since there was a 4-hour time zone difference between Abu Dhabi and Singapore, so our body clocks naturally allowed us to wake up. They had a place for breakfast downstairs, but we did not take breakfast in the hotel as we will be heading to the Etihad business class lounge for breakfast. So this hotel was opened in the year 2013, and this is another view of the lobby. And now let me show you how to walk back to the terminal, go up the same stairs we came down. And this time I noticed there was a door leading to the outside, which I stepped out to get a feel of the weather. It was about 30 degrees in the morning and it would heat up rapidly. So this is the outside to the Premier Inn. I stepped back inside and continue walking the same Skypark walkway, backtracking the way we came from last night. Yes, we know that our flight would be departing from Terminal 3, so look out for the signs. There's a Terminal 3 and a Terminal 1 at this airport. And on the way back, past some car rental companies including Hertz, Avis and Europe Car. As we walk, you can then see outside already, and I saw first class terminal and business class terminal. So well, instead of going back to the escalators, which would be to the arrival hall, let's just cross the road to the business class terminal. That is where the dedicated check-ins are for business class passengers. We had to cross this road, which was easy to cross because there was a designated crossing point. I did see some cars or limousines arriving, and now we crossed the road and I saw a whole bunch of employees standing there. Yes, and now we are inside and you can see that there is a dedicated business class check-in and there will be a dedicated business class immigration clearance as well. So it was extremely smooth and easy to go through the check-in into the restricted area. And we follow the signs again to head towards the Etihad Business Class Lounge. Check out my other video.